Sweet and spicy. Oh yeah.
Welcome to Gino's Creative Cooking. As you can see, I have those sausages soaked in the beer. I'm using the Budweiser here as beer. Mmm, it is just tastes very delicious. You won't taste the beer and the sausage, but the flavor is just delicious. You're gonna need some onions, some fresh garlic. That's the main thing there, and we have some red peppers just for a bit of color. All you do is to you saute the two, and then you're gonna add all the sauces and mustard. Please then you're ready alien sauce and sauce and the ketchup. All mix them up, and I'm going to add a little bit of water. Yeah. I'm gonna put all the recipe on the description box if you wanna follow really how I did this delicious barbecue sauce. For the spices, cayenne pepper, basil, black pepper, ginger powder, salt, whole paprika. They will also be listed as you can see. Yes, let's continue watching this delicious beer barbecue sauce. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe after watching this video. If you watch it till the end, thank you so much again. Don't forget to share, press that subscribe button, comment is very important. Thank you so much for the support, and let's keep watching.
Sweet and spicy.
Shake, 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 shake. This is beyond delicious. Beyond delicious. That's how delicious it is. Yes.